So, you've just got your hands on the new AI Skills Toolkit. This is a super powerful resource, and it's designed to make your coaching faster, sharper, and just way more impactful. In this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how to get your first win with it. Let's dive right in. You open up the folder, and wow, you see all these files, right? 8 different skills, research frameworks, templates. It's totally normal to feel a little bit overwhelmed and think, okay, where do I even begin? But don't you worry, the starting point is wonderfully simple, and it's designed to give you a real, practical result right away. Look, we're not talking about some long, complicated training plan here. Nope. This is all about taking one single, concrete action right now that's going to have a direct impact on the very next student you meet with. This is your 24-hour plan to get that first result. So what's that very first step? It's simple. I want you to ignore everything else for now. Just focus on one skill, skill 01. The whole goal here is to build some momentum and confidence with a quick, tangible success. Now, you might be wondering, why this one? Well, we recommend Skill 01, the Career Opportunity Analyzer, for 2 really big reasons. First, it's immediately useful, like you can literally use it 5 minutes from now to prep for a meeting you have this afternoon. And second, it's just the most versatile tool in the whole kit. It's relevant for pretty much any student who's looking at a specific job posting. So how does this actually work? You might be thinking, okay, but am I going to need to be a tech wizard for this? And the answer is a big nope. In fact, if you can copy and paste text, you have all the technical skill you need. We're going to walk through the exact steps right now. Okay, let's break this down step by step. First step, grab a real job posting for a student you're meeting with soon. Got it? Cool. Next, just open up ChatGPT or Claude in your web browser, whichever one you've got. Then find the skill file. It's called O1_Career Opportunity Analyzer, and copy everything inside it. Paste that whole block of text into a new chat. The AI will give you a little confirmation like, yep, got it. And then in a new message, just paste the job posting. That is it. And here's the best part. Your final step is super simple. The AI will spit out this really structured analysis of the job posting, and your only job is to read it before you meet with your student. Just doing that one thing will make your coaching session dramatically more focused and insightful. It's a huge upgrade. Okay, now let's talk about what you can happily ignore, because this is where people can get anxious. You do not need to know what an API is. You absolutely do not need to use the advanced Claude Code platform. And you definitely do not need to file a ticket with your IT department. And this is really the beauty of the whole thing. Every single skill, every workflow we're talking about is designed to work right there in your web browser. No special software, no complicated installations. It's as easy as checking your email. All right, so you've run your first analysis. What should you expect from that first output? And, more importantly, how do you make it even better over time? Okay, let's be real about what to expect. The very first time you do this, the analysis you get back, it's going to be good. I mean, genuinely useful. It'll give your insights you can immediately bring into your coaching session. It's designed to work right out of the box. But here's the secret to going from good to great. The AI thrives on context. So after you paste that job posting, try adding just a short paragraph about the student. Their major, their worries, maybe their key experiences. The more specific you are, the more tailored and powerful the output becomes. So here's the main takeaway, right? Don't even try to be perfect on day one. Just run the basic workflow. The next time, maybe add a little student context. After a few sessions, you're going to develop a natural feel for it. Just start simple and build your skill from there. Promise. Before we finish up, I've got one last super powerful tool for you. It's going to enhance every single skill you use. It's called the Universal Starter Prompt. And when it comes to quality, it is a total game changer. So what is it? Well, it's basically just a little chunk of text you'll find in your handbook. You copy it and you paste it into the chat before you paste the main skill file. Think of it like setting the ground rules with the AI before you give it the actual work. It just sets the stage for a much, much higher quality result. This little prompt does 3 really critical things. First, it tells the AI, hey, be professional. Second, it tells it, do not make stuff up. And third, it forces it to show its work by labeling the evidence, which is built into every skill. It's like a tiny insurance policy for quality, and it works every time. So there you have it, a super clear, actionable plan to get started today. You've got the tool, you know the process, and you know that first simple step. The only real question left is the one that brings us all back to your mission. Which student will be the first to benefit from this deeper level of coaching?